Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce promotion expenses with Grubhub affiliate, full guide step by step clearly. To reduce promotion expenses with Grubhub affiliate, start by understanding how the Grubhub affiliate program works. Visit the Grubhub affiliate website and sign up for an account. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding with your application. Once approved, familiarize yourself with the affiliate dashboard. Identify the promotional tools and resources they provide. Explore the various banners, links, and promotional materials available for your campaigns. Choose the assets that align with your brand and audience. Set clear marketing goals for your promotions. Determine your target audience to tailor your messaging effectively. Utilize social media platforms to share your affiliate links. Consider creating engaging content, such as blog posts or videos, highlighting Grubhub's services. Incorporate your affiliate links within your content strategically. Focus on SEO strategies to enhance visibility and reach. Measure traffic and engagement using analytics tools offered by Grubhub. Adjust your strategies based on performance data to optimize results. Collaborate with food bloggers or influencers to extend your reach. Negotiate special promotions or exclusive offers through the affiliate program. Keep up with Grubhub's promotional updates and seasonal campaigns. Regularly assess your expenses and revenues from the affiliate program. Eliminate any ineffective promotional methods to conserve resources. Continuously learn and adapt your marketing practices for better efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.